Hey everybody, I'm here today to tell you what to do at a yield sign. In this video, I'll be going over the basics of the process that you should be going through and telling you exactly what you should do when you approach a yield sign. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. So a yield sign basically means that you have to yield. It basically means that you do not have the right of way. So now that you know that you don't have the right of way, that means that you have to give the right of way to the pedestrians and traffic that are around that sign, that are at that area that the yield sign is in. Now, with that being said, this is what you do as you actually approach the yield sign. So you're going to slow down as you approach the yield sign, and you're going to scan for traffic and pedestrians. Now, I'm going to go through a few situations, okay? So once again, you're slowing down and you're going to scan, you're looking for traffic and pedestrians. You are taking an in-depth look at if there is traffic that you are going to be interfering with or pedestrians that you are going to be interfering with. Now, when you actually get to the yield sign, you're gonna see one of two things, okay? The first thing that you're gonna see is that there isn't a gap in traffic or pedestrians and that it's not safe for you to continue. So with that being said, if you see that, if it's unsafe for you to continue, you're gonna stop before the yield sign. You're going to stop so that, the traffic and pedestrians can make their way because they have the right of way. So if you see that there's not enough space or not a gap for you to go, then you're going to stop, okay? If, on the other hand, you see that there is enough space and enough time and enough of a gap with traffic and pedestrians for you to make it, then as you slow down, you're going to continue driving, okay? Only if it is safe to do so. A yield sign does not mean just go, okay? Because I've seen many people just slow down and assume that a yield sign just means slow down. That is not the case. That is definitely not the case. A yield sign means slow down and assess the situation. If it is safe for you to proceed, then you may proceed. If it is not safe for you to proceed, then you must come to a stop until it is safe for you to proceed. So once again, you're approaching the yield sign, you slow down and you scan. And you're looking for a gap in traffic and pedestrians. If you see that, you can make it, that there is a gap, that there is enough time, that it is safe for you to proceed, then you can proceed through the yield sign. Now, once again, you've slowed down. So you're not like just speeding through it. You've slowed down. You're proceeding once you've slowed down. If there is not enough of a gap, if it is not safe for you to proceed through the yield sign, if there's traffic and pedestrians or one or the other, if it is not safe, then you must come to a complete stop before the yield sign and wait there until there is a gap, there is a safe gap or a safe amount of time for you to proceed. It's as simple as that. And that's basically it. In this video, I have gone over what to do at a yield sign. It has been a simple driving lesson, a simple driving tutorial. If you liked it, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great car and driving videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.